So today we're going to go over a couple more items to learn in Trado. First we will look at family budgets and then how to look up individual scholar reports. So the first thing we're going to look at is budgets. So you just have to come over here to your left side, click on that, find your name. I know that I'm on page 3. We'll click on myself. And then it pulls up the family budgets for you. There's two colors. The lighter blue is invoiced items. Those are items that have already been paid for through the vendor department, so you know that amount should have been taken out. The darker blue are items that have been ordered but have not been invoiced. So when you see a remaining budget here of $3,000+ dollars, it might not be exact because these items have not actually been paid for yet. So if your family is asking questions, be sure to give yourself a little bit of room when you're telling them how much budget they have left. The second item we're going to go over is running a report for individual scholars. The first thing you'll do is go down to the Reports tab, click on that, click on View Reports. Then you're going to come over here and go to Systems Reports. You want to choose the items ordered per department. For the start date, I would choose the first day they could start ordering, unless you know that they didn't start that soon. I had some families that started started ordering before school started, and obviously the end date would be the day you're running the report. Then you're going to look for the department, and I'm going to go down to a family that has 4 kids, so there's some actual sorting going on. And I know she wouldn't mind me using her name anyway, so we will do her. So I'm going to go pick my department, then I'm going to choose Search. On here it's a little difficult to see, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and choose to export it as a CSV. Once that downloads, you can open it in Excel. And if you want to, make things look a little prettier, you can do that. It's up to you. Then you're going to click on the first line, go to View, and freeze that top pane, or the top row. Then you're going to come over, click on the PO name. You're going to go back home. Click on Home. Then you can sort from A to Z. Let me make sure it worked for me. It did. And then you have, so let's say I wanted to look at Ada. Then I have all of Ada's information in here. And then I go down the line to Elias, Tess, and Willow. So it should sort according to each scholar and each one of their orders, and then you can see what they ordered. I hope that was helpful for you.